Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I am doing another Trader Joe's haul. There is just things that are coming new to Trader Joe's on a weekly basis, and I can't keep up, so I thought I would share with you my new finds along with some of my old favorites. So if you guys love haul videos, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So let's go ahead and get started with the first bag. So right on top, and I will admit that I've already had it and it is absolutely delicious. It is this butternut squash mac and cheese. I have a version of this on my channel, but this one is a little spicy. It's got kind of like a little kick to it. I don't know what it is, but it's delicious, and my husband and I had it for dinner yesterday. We split it in half, had a salad, had a little bit of salmon, and it was great. So highly recommend, because these seasonal items don't last long. So if you like them, stock up, have it, enjoy for the season. Dried chili mango. This is something that I get from my sister all the time whenever I'm gonna see her. She loves these sweet and dried mango with chili seasoning. She's just like me, likes kind of like the hot and spicy, sweet and spicy type of thing. So I love this, and I figure since I'm gonna be seeing her hopefully soon, I can give this to her. On that same note, I got her these gummies, Scandinavian Swimmers. This is one of my favorite gummies, and once I introduced it to her, she loved them too, so I figured I would grab it for her. And the nice thing is that this doesn't have any gelatin or anything. I've mentioned that before. All right, so this isn't a food item, but why not? Since it is my Trader Joe's haul, I'll share it with you. This is a multi-purpose cleaner, and my plan for this is to keep it in the kitchen because this is plant-derived cleaning power, biodegradable, cuts through grease, perfect for the kitchen because you are around food all the time when you're in the kitchen, and so you want to use things that are a little bit more natural. So I figured I would keep this in the fridge, and then when I smelled this, it's sage and cedarwood, and I just feel like that's a perfect clean scent for me. All right, so of course, sparkling water, not one of my hauls without a sparkling water. This one is just the starfruit one that I honestly have had before. First pumpkin item of the haul are these pumpkin Madeline cookies. So this I picked up because I am gonna share with you a Madeline spice pumpkin Madeline cookie recipe for my next Friday video. So I figured why not pick this up, do a little comparison, see how they're different than my usual Madeline cookies. Now, Madeline cookies aren't healthy. I've tried them. They just don't work when you don't use as much butter. So these are a treat item, not something you can have on a weekly basis. So anyways, enjoy it. 2 cookies are 150 calories, but in tea with some pumpkin tea especially, delicious. All right, so Faraz actually really enjoys the Joe coffee from Trader Joe's. So this is the medium roast one. We tried the dark roast one, wasn't his favorite, so we just went back to this one. And the last thing in this bag is the maple flavored sea salt kettle corn. I love popcorn. It's one of my favorite things. And so I figured why not try this one? It's very cute, very festive, very fall with the fall leaves. And yeah, I love kettle corn. It's just dangerous. I don't like to buy it because I can eat a whole bag in one sitting, and that's never good with anything. All right, so that is all of that bag, not very much. So let's move on to this bag, which I can already see has a lot more pumpkin things. Organic pumpkin bread. So this looked absolutely delicious. And I love when pumpkin or any type of bread has a lot of greens and seeds. This one has with cinnamon bits, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds. Yum. I'm excited to try this out with a little bit of butter in the morning, and yeah, yum. I love these pumpkin things, guys. This pumpkin spice rooibos herbal tea. So I love having herbal tea at night especially, so I like to stock up on all the different flavors that is around, and this is something that I had last year and it was delicious. So the harvest blend in this blend is one of my favorites for the fall season. Who can guess what this is? It is a It is a delicata squash, and these don't last very long. The season is very short, so if you like them, hurry up and grab it and roast it all up. I have a really good recipe that I will link in the description box below. It's a barbecue spice delicata squash, and it's delicious and really easy to make. So I wanted to pick this up, 99 cents, can't beat that. Spaghetti squash. Spaghetti squash is something that I had to try a few times to get it right, to get the flavoring right, know how to really cook it well so that it's not mushy and it still has kind of a bite to it. So I think I've gotten a hang of it and it's absolutely delicious. I love making just a regular red sauce with some sort of meat, ground meat, even the soy chorizo, and then just baking this and having it with it. So delicious, and yeah, I just feel like fall, all these squashes are just my jam in the fall. All right, and the last thing in this bag is just bananas. Ran out and had to just stock up. So this last bag over here is some of my refrigerator and freezer items. So first one is this pumpkin ravioli. If you have been watching my hauls for a little bit now, you know that I've been trying all the different raviolis. I kind of like having it in the fridge when I am short on time, just don't know what to do, and it's a good carb, so I like to kind of have it and taste it and see which one is my favorite. Haven't had this flavor, which is why I picked it up. Ooh, this one is a fun, interesting item. Cashew Fiesta Dip. It's dairy-free and it's a cheese alternative. So I really don't like having dairy too much. I don't know what it does to my stomach, but I don't feel really well when I have a lot of it. So cheese and all that, and my husband is lactose intolerant, so I like to just kind of play around with different alternatives. So I wanted to see if this is good, and I hope it is, because if it is, yum. I love cashew, and cashews are very kind of creamy already, so I figured this might be good. All right, so next up I've got this barbecue chicken teriyaki. So I've never tried this, but it's been a fan favorite for a while. And when I look at the ingredients, it's not bad. It's chicken leg meat, water, sugar, soy sauce, salt, rice water and yeast, lime juice, ginger, garlic, and green onions. So yeah, not really bad on the ingredients, and I figured why not on nights that I just really don't have that much time. Sometimes, especially recently, I've been coming home late from work and I haven't meal prepped. Real life. So what are you gonna do? I like to have kind of healthier alternatives and not just resort to eating out. On that same note, I've never tried the chicken fried rice. I've just recently been feeling like trying all these different types of foods just to see what the hype is all about. I've been going to Trader Joe's for so long and I've never tried any of these freezer items. So I figured, you know, once in a while, it's not something I'm gonna do all the time, but why not have my freezer stocked up a little bit with some of the essentials when we're short on time. Got some turkey meatballs. Again, same kind of deal. Easy to just pop in my air fryer and have meatballs ready in no time. Next up, I've got some beets. I bought these for a recipe that I want to try, and I don't usually cook with a lot of beets, so it's going to be interesting. I love it. I love having it when it's pickled or in a jar, so to add to my salads or whatever. So why not try it in like a soup? Last items in my bag are some yogurts. This one is a Greek almond butter coconut yogurt. This one is a guava passion fruit, and then this one I'm super excited for is a apple caramel. I just kind of get their vanilla or their plain yogurt every once in a while for other recipes, but I've never tried these ones, so I figured why not give these new flavors a try. Maybe I'll find something that I really like and that I can keep purchasing. All right, there you guys go. That is my quick haul from Trader Joe's with a lot of different pumpkin items that I still have not tried, and so I figured why not pick it up and share with you guys. So if you guys love haul videos, if you especially love the fall season and all the fun, yummy things that Trader Joe's has to offer during this time of year, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.